extraterrestrials may employ highly sophisticated sensors capable of detecting minute changes in Earth's crust. These systems could identify precursors to volcanic activity, such as shifts in magma movement, gas emissions, or ground deformation, far earlier than human instruments. Another theory posits that UFOs use quantum entanglement to communicate instantaneously across vast distances. If true, aliens might receive real-time data from probes embedded deep within the planet's mantle, allowing them to forecast eruptions accurately. Volcanic activity generates significant electromagnetic disturbances. It is conceivable that UFOs harness these fields to gather information, or even manipulate them to prevent or mitigate eruptions. Some eyewitnesses describe seeing UFOs emitting beams of light toward volcanoes, possibly interacting with subsurface energy sources. Throughout history, there have been numerous accounts of UFO sightings occurring in proximity to volcanic regions. These reports span continents and cultures, suggesting a pattern worth investigating. In ancient Roman texts, there are references to celestial chariots appearing before major eruptions. While these descriptions may be mythologized, they align with modern-day UFO reports. During the lead-up to its catastrophic eruption in 1980, several witnesses reported strange lights hovering over the mountain weeks prior to the event. In 2010, when this volcano erupted, disrupting air travel across Europe, amateur astronomers captured images of unidentified aerial phenomena in the vicinity. These historical anecdotes suggest that UFOs could be observing or even influencing volcanic activity, potentially using their advanced technology to monitor Earth's tectonic processes. To better understand the relationship between UFOs and volcanoes, let us examine specific case studies where unusual phenomena coincided with volcanic activity. The massive eruption of Krakatoa was preceded by reports of glowing orbs seen hovering above the island. Locals believed these were omens foretelling disaster. Modern interpretations suggest these orbs could have been UFOs gathering data on the imminent explosion. Historical records mention heavenly ships observed near Mount Fuji shortly before its last eruption in 1707. Could these sightings represent early encounters with extraterrestrial observers? In recent years, video footage has emerged showing unidentified flying objects circling Mexico's Popocatépetl volcano during periods of increased seismic activity. Analysts speculate these objects may be conducting surveillance or attempting to stabilize the region. If UFOs indeed possess the ability to predict volcanic eruptions, what does this mean for humanity? There are both positive and negative implications to consider. By studying UFO behavior, scientists might develop new methods for forecasting volcanic hazards, saving countless lives. Reverse engineering alien technology could revolutionize our understanding of geophysics and climate science. Should we rely on extraterrestrial intervention rather than improving our own capabilities? What if UFOs interfere with Earth's natural processes for reasons unknown to us? For those interested in exploring this topic further, here are actionable steps you can take. If you witness any unusual activity near a volcano, record it thoroughly and share your findings with credible organizations like MUFON, Mutual UFO Network. Volcanoes have long been symbols of Earth's raw power, but in recent years, they've also become hotspots for another kind of mystery: UFO sightings. From Mexico to Italy, strange lights and unidentified flying objects have been spotted emerging from or hovering near volcanic craters, leaving scientists, skeptics, and UFO enthusiasts scratching their heads. Let's explore some of the most fascinating encounters and the theories behind them. On June 16, 2021, a mesmerizing scene unfolded over a volcano in Mexico. Two bright lights emerged from the crater, one after the other, ascending into the sky in a straight line. The size of these objects was striking, appearing large even compared to the massive volcanic crater. As the lights rose, witnesses noticed at least 10 other UFOs already in the sky, their movements distinct from the stars twinkling in the background. Mexico is no stranger to UFO activity, ranking 7th globally in the number of reported sightings. The country has a rich history of ufology, with figures like Pedro Ferreira, who advised a former president on UFOs in the 1960s, and Jamie Maussan, a prominent journalist and UFO researcher. Maussan's show, Terza Millennio, has explored countless UFO phenomena, including sightings near volcanoes. These recent lights add to the growing body of evidence suggesting a mysterious connection between UFOs and volcanic activity. In January 2018, a camera monitoring Italy's Stromboli volcano captured something extraordinary: a massive, disc-shaped UFO emerging from the crater. The object, estimated to be 30 to 40 meters in size, had a slightly raised dome, resembling a cockpit. Stromboli, one of the most active volcanoes in the world, had been erupting since 2016, making the sighting even more dramatic. Skeptics proposed various explanations, from drones sent to monitor the volcano to large rocks ejected by volcanic pressure. However, the object's size, shape, and controlled movement made these theories unlikely. UFO researchers noted that while luminous orbs are often seen near volcanoes, this disc-shaped object aligns with other documented UFO sightings, suggesting it could be something far more advanced. On March 12, 2018, a glowing orange UFO was filmed near Mexico's Colima volcano. The object, appearing as a giant ball of light, moved with incredible speed, flashing and changing shape as it flew. It paused near the base of the mountain before rising and disappearing into the distance, all within 50 seconds. Volcanoes like Colima and Popocatépetl have become UFO hotspots, with webcams capturing strange lights and movements around their craters. Some researchers speculate that the intense energy and heat from volcanic activity might attract extraterrestrial visitors or serve as a gateway for their advanced technology. The Colima sighting is just one of many that continue to fuel this intriguing theory. In 2014, a webcam captured footage of a UFO flying near a recently erupted volcano in Mexico. The object, moving at high speed, left streaks of white smoke in its wake. While some dismissed it as a plane, the UFO's behavior, flying low, rising abruptly, and leaving no visible landing site, made this explanation unlikely. Drones were also ruled out due to the object's size, and the fact that most drones are battery-powered and don't emit smoke. One theory suggested the UFO could have been a research aircraft, but helicopters, which are typically used for such missions, don't leave smoke trails. The sighting remains unexplained, adding to the mystery of UFOs and their apparent fascination with volcanoes. In February 2013, a cigar-shaped UFO was filmed hovering over Mexico's Popocatépetl volcano. The object, dark gray or black in color, moved slowly through the cloudy sky. Its size, comparable to the volcano itself, ruled out conventional explanations like planes or balloons. This sighting was part of a wave of cigar-shaped UFO reports across North America, including sightings in Georgia, Nebraska, and Canada. Skeptics often attribute such sightings to photographic anomalies or drones, but the sheer size and controlled movement of these objects suggest otherwise. Cigar-shaped UFOs have been documented since the 19th century, making them one of the most enduring and mysterious types of sightings. The frequent appearance of UFOs near volcanoes has led to several intriguing theories. Some researchers believe that the intense heat and electromagnetic activity generated by volcanoes could serve as an energy source or navigation point for advanced extraterrestrial technology. Volcanoes might be of scientific interest to extraterrestrial beings, studying Earth's geology and natural processes. A more speculative theory suggests that volcanic craters could act as portals or gateways for UFOs, traveling between dimensions or planets. Whether these sightings are evidence of extraterrestrial visitors, advanced human technology, or natural phenomena, they remind us that our planet is full of mysteries waiting to be explored. Volcanoes, with their raw power and otherworldly landscapes, seem to attract the unexplained, offering a glimpse into the unknown. As technology advances and more sightings are documented, we may one day uncover the truth behind these enigmatic objects. Until then, the skies above volcanoes will continue to captivate our imaginations, inviting us to look up and wonder what else might be out there. The idea that UFOs know when volcanoes will erupt challenges conventional thinking, but offers exciting possibilities for advancing human knowledge. While much remains speculative, the evidence presented here underscores the need for continued investigation into this phenomenon. As we strive to unravel the mysteries of the universe, perhaps uncovering the secrets behind UFO-volcano interactions will bring us closer to answering fundamental questions about life beyond Earth.